Good morning, students. In last video we are discussing about question number 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so 19, 20, 21, 22. So today we will discuss two more questions, that is question number 23 as well as question number 24. Now here in part B, question number 23 belongs to under which topic? That is 3D geometry. Question number 23 belongs to under 3D geometry. Now here in 3D geometry there are two parts, namely line and plane. Okay, so idralli nodri 23 question line melare kelabodi question athwa plane mele adru barbodu. Okay, so before solving the problem you must remember some important formula for line and plane. So in a line enide formula? So first one is equation of line passing through a point, given point, and parallel to the vector is given by the formula vector r is equal to a plus lambda into b. This is vector form. So this is one point form. Whereas in Cartesian form, equation of line is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. This is Cartesian form of equation of line. Whereas second theorem, to find the equation of line passing through 2 points, say x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, is given by the formula in vector form. Vector r is equal to a plus lambda into b minus a. This is vector form. Whereas in Cartesian form is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is Cartesian form. Okay, then next one is angle between two lines is given by the formula cos theta is equal to, that is b1 dot b2 divided by their magnitude of b1 and b2. This is the formula for vector form of angle between two lines. Whereas plane the lane en barutte, again plane is nothing but a surface area in which if we take any 2 points or more than 2 points are taken, the line joining those points lies entirely on that surface, that is known as plane. Now first derivation of plane is equation of plane in normal form is given by the formula r dot n cap is equal to d, where d is the perpendicular distance from the origin, n cap is the unit vector in the direction of the normal vector. Whereas Cartesian form is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to d. This is vector form, this is Cartesian form of equation of plane. Whereas second theorem is derive the equation of plane passing through a point and perpendicular to the normal vector. Equation of plane passing through a point perpendicular to the vector is given by the formula r dot r minus a dot n. R minus a dot n is equal to 0. Whereas in Cartesian form, a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is Cartesian form of equation of plane. Whereas third theorem, equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points is given by the formula Cartesian form, determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is represent equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Then equation of plane whose intercepts A, B, C on X, Y, Z axis is given by the formula X by A plus Y upon B plus Z by C is equal to 1. This represents equation of plane in intercept form. Okay, then to find the perpendicular distance from the point x1, y1, z1 to the line, general equation of plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is given by the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is perpendicular distance from the point to the plane is given by the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. And finally, to find the distance between parallel lines, to find the distance between two planes is equal to, remember, modulus of d1 minus d2 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. These are the important formula. You must remember those important formula. Now here first 1, 2, 3. These three are line formula. Remaining results are plane formula. So based on this, we will discuss question number 23 in part B. That is 2 mark question. They may be asked either line or plane. Okay. Now here question number 23. First line alle solve ಮಾಡೋಣ based on line problems. First problem is, that is the equation of line in a space. Find the Cartesian equation of line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 1, 1, 1. So points are given. Now here to find the equation of line passing parallel to y-axis. Now here x1, y1, z1 given. That is 1, 1, 1. A line mele one point pass adre, you know the formula for Cartesian equation. X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c, where a, b, c are direction cosines, direction ratios. Now here direction ratios of y-axis. Y-axis tಗೊಂಡಾಗ, what is that? 0, 1, 0. This is a value, b value, c value. Therefore, equation of plane in the Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Substituting the value, x minus x1 is 1, a value 0, y minus y1 is 1, b value 1, z minus z1 is 1, c value 0. This represents equation of line. Okay. Whereas another problem. So again problem number 23, line problem. Find the Cartesian equation. Find the Cartesian equation of line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point. Say 1, 1, 1. Same question. Nodri, again given x1, y1, z1 is given 1, 1, 1. So passes through the which axis? X-axis. So direction ratios of x-axis are ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1, 0, 0. Direction ratios of y-axis 0, 1, 0. 1 is y-axis. Direction ratios of x-axis 1, 0, 0. Whereas direction ratios of z-axis 0, 0, 1. Okay. Therefore, equation of plane is given by the formula x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Substituting the value, x minus x1 is 1, a value 1, y minus y1 is 1, b value 0, z minus z1 is 1, c value 0. This represent equation of line. ನೋಡ್ರಿ x axis ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 1 0 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, y axis ದಾಗ 0 1 0, if it is z axis 0 0 1. Okay, whereas another problem, find the vector and Cartesian equation of line. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of line passing through the points 3 2 minus 5, 3 minus 2 minus 5 and 3 minus 2 6. Now here ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Now here given data, A is the point 3 minus 2 minus 5, B be a point 3 minus 2 6. This is call it as x1 y1 z1 and here x2 y2 z2. A is the point, therefore position vector represented by OA denoted by A vector is equal to what? 3i minus 2j minus 5k. Position vector represented by vector B is equal to 3i minus 2j plus 6k. We got two vectors. Therefore, vector equation of line passing through 2 points is given by the formula, that is vector R is equal to A plus lambda into vector B minus A. Right? Now, that is R is equal to vector A is 3i minus 2j minus 5k plus lambda into B minus A. Let's ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. 3i minus 3i 0i minus 2j minus of minus 2j plus 2j, that is cancel. 6k minus of minus plus 5, 6 plus 5 11k. This is vector form of equation of line passing through 2 points. Also, Cartesian equation of line is given by the formula x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. That is, substituting the value, x minus x1 is 3, x2 minus x1 3 minus 3, y minus y1 is minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, y2 minus y1, y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, z minus z1, z1 is minus 5 minus into minus plus 5, z2 minus z1 6 minus z1 is minus 5 minus into minus plus 5, that is x minus 3 by 0, y plus 2 by 0, z plus 5 by 11. This is Cartesian form of equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, next question. Again same type, find the vector equation of line. Only to find the vector equation of line. Find the vector equation of line passing through the points, passing through the 2 points. Say points are minus 1 0 2 and 3 4 6. Now here 2 points are given. Here A is the point minus 1 0 2, B be a point 3 4 6 denoted by x1 y1 z1, here x2 y2 z2. Now to find the vector, therefore position vector represented by vector A is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus I, correct, plus 0j plus 2k, and position vector B is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 6k, right? Therefore vector equation of line passing through 2 points is given by the formula vector r is equal to a plus lambda into b minus a vector. So vector r is equal to a vector minus I plus 2k plus lambda into b minus a. Less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ 3i minus of minus I plus I, that is 4i. 4j minus 0j plus 4j. 6k minus 2k plus 4k. This is vector equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay. Also, ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ equation of plane, equation of line is, what is the formula? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Substituting the value, that is x minus x1 value. What is x1 value? Minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, that is 4. Y minus y1 is 0 divided by y2 minus y1. 4 minus 0, 4. Z minus z1 is 2 divided by z2 minus z1. 6 minus 2, 4. This is Cartesian form of equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, so based on plane ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. The question like this: find the vector equation of plane which is at a distance of 6 divided by root 29 from the origin and its normal vector from the origin. Normal vector from the origin is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So you know the formula, that is first derivation of plane. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 6 bar root 29 and normal vector given, n vector is given 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Now you know the formula, equation of plane in normal form formula, r dot n cap is equal to distance d. So n cap, what is n cap formula? Now n cap is equal to unit vector in the direction of the given vector, vector n divided by their magnitude. N vector is 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by their magnitude under root of coefficient of I 2 square 4, coefficient of j minus 3 square 9, coefficient of k 4 square 16, that is 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by root how much? 29. This is n cap. Therefore vector equation of plane is given by the formula r dot n cap is equal to d, implies r dot n cap value 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by root 29 is equal to d value 6 by root 29. Cross multiply root 29 cancel, that is r dot 2i minus 3j plus 4k cap is equal to 6. This is vector equation of plane in normal form. Okay. Similarly, another example, same question, find the vector equation of plane, find vector equation of plane which is at a distance of 7 units from the origin and its normal vector from the origin, same type, and its normal vector from the origin is 3i plus 5j minus 6k, same type. Now again ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಗಿವನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 7. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಎನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 3i plus 5j minus 6k. Now to find n cap, now you know the formula. N cap is equal to ಏನಿದೆ formula, vector n divided by their magnitude. Okay, so vector n is 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by their magnitude under root of 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. That is 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by root 25 plus 9, 34 plus 36, 70. Therefore, vector equation of plane in normal form is r dot n cap is equal to d. R dot n cap value 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by root 70 is equal to d value 7. Bekidre cross multiply madkondre we can write r dot, if it is cross multiply 3i plus 5j minus 6k cap is equal to 7 root 70. Okay, this is vector equation of plane. Okay students, next question, find the vector and Cartesian equation of plane that passes through the point say 1 0 minus 2 and normal to the plane, means perpendicular to the plane, normal to the plane, I plus j minus k. So that is second theorem. Find the vector equation of plane as well as Cartesian equation of plane passes through the point x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to the normal to the plane, perpendicular to the vector I plus j minus k. You know the formula, vector equation of plane passing through a point x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to the normal vector is given by the formula r dot, what is that, r dot b minus a. In the formula, vector equation of plane passes through the point and normal to the vector is given by the formula r minus a dot n is equal to 0. This is vector form, whereas Cartesian form of equation of plane is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, eradu ಬೇಕಾದರೆ solve ಮಾಡಿ. Now here given data, a is a point 1 0 minus 2, right, and normal vector n vector is I plus j minus k. Okay, now here it is in the form ai plus bj plus ck. Here capital A is equal to 1, capital B is 1, capital C is minus 1. Okay, now here this is x1 y1 z1. Therefore position vector A is equal to 1i plus 0j minus 2k. Therefore vector equation of plane is given by the formula r minus a dot n vector is equal to 0. Substituting the value, r minus a vector I minus 2k dot n vector I plus j minus k is equal to 0. This is vector form of equation of plane. Just value substitute ಮಾಡೋದು. Whereas Cartesian equation of plane is given by the formula a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. That is a value estide nodi 1, x minus x1 is 1, b value 1, y minus y1 value 0, c value minus 1, z minus z1 is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify 1 into x minus 1, x minus 1, 1 into y plus y, minus 1 into z minus 2 is equal to 0. Rearrange x plus y minus z minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. This represent equation of plane passing through a point and perpendicular to the normal vector. Okay. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane that passes through 3 points. That passes through 3 points, 3 non-collinear points, 1 1 0, then 1 2 1, then minus 2 2 1. You know the formula. Equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Now here equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points is given by the formula determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay. Then x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Here 3 points are given. This is denoted by x1 y1 z1. Here x2 y2 z2, that is x3 y3 z3. Substituting the value implies determinant x minus, what is x1 value? 1, y minus y1 value 1, z minus z1 is 0, x2 minus x1, x2 value 1 minus x1 is 1, y2 value 2 minus y1 is 1, z2 value is 1, z1 is 0, x3 minus x1, x3 is minus 2, x1 is 1, y3 is 2 minus y1 is 1, then z3 is 1 minus z1 is 0 is equal to 0. Simplify determinant x minus 1, y minus 1, z, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1 is equal to 0. Expand that determinant implies x minus 1 into, deleting first row first column you get 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 1, minus y minus 1 into, deleting first row second column 0 into 1 0, difference minus, minus 3 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 3, plus z into, deleting first row third column 0 into 1 0, difference minus, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies 1 minus 1 0, 0 into something is 0, then 3 into minus y minus 3y minus into minus plus 1 into 3 plus 3, then z into 3 plus 3z is equal to 0. Implies minus 3y plus 3z plus 3 is equal to 0. Common term is minus 3, divided by minus 3 we get y minus z minus 1 is equal to 0. This represents equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Okay, correct ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so another question. question. Find the equation of plane. find the equation of plane through the intersection of the plane. Through the intersection of the plane. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0 and the point 2 to 1. So you know the formula. Equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes is given by the formula. Now here first plane 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is first plane. Second plane x plus y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. And the point x1, y1, z1 given, that is 2 to 1. So equation of plane passing through the intersection of two plane is given by the formula first plane plus lambda into second plane is equal to 0. Remember, first plane plus lambda into second plane is equal to 0. What is first plane? 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into second plane x minus y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now as this plane passes through the point, as this plane passes through the point 2 comma 2 comma 1, it means put x is 2, y is 2, z is 1. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3 into 2 minus y value 2 plus 2 z value 1 minus 4 plus lambda into x value 2 y value 2 minus z value 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 hoita, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 2 plus 2 2 cancel, 2 minus 1 1, 1 lambda is equal to 0. Correct? So 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 plus 2. Okay, here plus 2 minus 2 cancel, 2 minus 1 1, 1 lambda. Therefore lambda is equal to minus 2. We got lambda value. Therefore put lambda value in equation 3. Equation 3 gives 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda value minus 2 into second plane x plus y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, simplify. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4, remove that bracket, minus 2x minus 2y plus 2z plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. Rearrange. 3x minus 2x 1x minus y minus 2y minus 3y, 2z plus 2z plus 4z minus 4 plus 4 cancel is equal to 0. This is required equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Okay. Question: find the equation of plane with intercepts 2, 3 and 4 on x, y, z axis respectively. This is known as intercept form. You know the formula. Intercept form of equation of plane is, what is that? X by a plus y upon b plus z by c is equal to 1, where a, b, c are x intercept, y intercept and z intercept. 3 intercepts are given. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. a value given 2, b value 3, c value 4. Therefore equation of plane whose intercepts a, b, c is given by the formula x by a plus y upon b plus z by c is equal to 1. Substituting the value, x by a value 2, y by b value 3, z by c value 4 is equal to 1. Further simplify, take the LCM. LCM of these 3 is 6, 2 3s are, 3 2s are, sorry, LCM is 12, 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are. Okay, that is 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 1. Cross multiply, 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 12, or if you take equal on right side, minus 12 is equal to 0. This represent equation of plane with 3 intercepts are given. Okay, then finally next question, based on perpendicular distance from the origin. Now here the question like this: find the distance of the point 3 minus 2 1 from the plane 2x minus y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here you know the formula. Now here given 2x minus y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. It is in the form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Here a value 2, correct? B value minus 1, C value 2, D value 3. And the points are given. x1, y1, z1 is given. Namely 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, you know the formula. Perpendicular distance from the origin is given by the formula. What is that? Remember, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Substituting the values, that is modulus of a value is 2. What is x1 value? 3. B value minus 1. Y1 value is minus 2. C value how much? 2. C value is 2. Z1 value 1. D value 3. Divided by under root of a square, a value 2, 2 square 4, b value minus 1 square is plus 1, c value 2, 2 square is 4. Simplify, 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus 2, again plus 2, plus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 root 9. That is 6 plus 2 8, plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, divided by root 9 is 3. So that perpendicular distance from the origin is 13 by 3. Okay. Now last question in part B, that is question number 23, based on line and plane. The question like this: find the distance between the two planes. Distance between the two planes 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 4 and 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equal to 12. Now here last problem in part B, question number 23, based on line and plane. Now here given data 2x plus 3y plus 4z, take equal on right side, minus 4 is equal to 0. Second plane 4x plus 6y plus 8z minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here in second plane, is there any common? Now you know that distance between two planes is given by the formula. Consider two planes, say a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. Second plane is again a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d2. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4x plus 6y plus 8z ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x plus 3y plus 4z ಇದೆ. So make it as same term. What can you do? Here in second plane divide by 2. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಇವೆರಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ a value 2, b value 3, c value 4. Here also a value 2, b value 3, c value 4. Now here d1 value, what is d1 value? Minus 4. d2 value, here d2 value minus 6. Don't take minus 12. minus 12 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Therefore distance between two planes is given by the formula modulus of d1 minus d2 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square, that is equal to d1 value is how much? Minus 4 minus d2 value minus 6 minus into minus plus 6 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. A value 2, b value 3, c value 4. Here also same. So a square 2 square 4, b square 3 square 9, c square 4 square 16. That is modulus of minus 4 plus 6, 2 divided by 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 9 29. Remove the modulus sign. 2 divided by root 29. This is the distance between two planes. Nodri distance between two planes solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first three terms same ಇರಬೇಕು. So different ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ make it as same term. Okay. So now this completes question number 23 in part B. Now one more question, last question, that is question number 24 in part B. That question number 24 belongs to, that is probability topic. Okay. Now that question we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.